Find the number of terms in the series 20, 19 1 over 3, 18 2 over 3, and so on, the sum of which is 300. Explain the double answer. Here we have A equals 20, D is equal to 19 1 over 3, which is 58 over 3, minus the first term, which is 20. So you get negative 2 over 3. So we have the value of A, we have the value of D, we don't know the number of terms, but we know the sum of this series. We know the formula Sn equals n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Sum is given as 300, so 300 is equal to n over 2 times 2a, a is 20, so 2 times a is 40, plus n minus 1 times the value of d, which is negative 2 over 3. Dividing by 2 on the right hand side, we get 300 is equal to n times 20 minus n minus 1 over 3. Taking LCM on the right hand side, we get 300 equals n times 60 minus n plus 1 over 3. And if we multiply both sides by 3, we get 900 is equal to, and this 3 will cancel out. So you have 61n minus n squared. So we get a quadratic equation as n squared minus 61n plus 900 is equal to 0. Factorizing this, we get n minus 25 times n minus 36 equals 0. So we have two values of n as 25 or 36. We got two values of n equals 25 and 36. As we know that sum of 25 terms is 300, so let's find 26th term, which is a plus 25d. And if we find it by using the values of a and d, we'll get it as 10 over 3. The next term will be 8 over 3. Similarly, the next term will be 6 over 3, 4 over 3, 2 over 3, and 31st term will be 0. The next term will be negative, so it will be negative 2 over 3, negative 4 over 3, negative 6 over 3, negative 8 over 3, negative 10 over 3. So that is 32nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 36th term. So here we find out that the sum of these terms will be 0. Therefore, the sum of 25 terms and sum of 36 terms is same. And this explains the double answer of value of n.